All right, I just arrived here at the Amari Phuket, which is in Patong. It's on the south side. Let's go in there and check the room out, shall we? And this is the first view of the room. And how about that? Got a nice big screen TV, obviously. Let's go see this view right here. This is absolutely awesomeness. You got your own private beach. Beautiful, nice pool down there. See Patong over there in the west. This is really absolutely amazing. Okay, what I thought I'd do is I'd start right down here at the beach. And this is one thing I like about it. It has its own private one right in front. So check this out. You can see over there in the west, Patong. And obviously the tide is coming in a little bit here. And then when you go around here, actually, right around there is another beach called Tri-Train Beach. And they're the beach views here. And I'll actually show you mine when I walk by it. But I'm just going to give you an overall look right here. Now, I'm kind of doing this backwards. I'm going to make my way to the lobby. So, going from, the beachfront to the lobby, I think it just makes it a little bit easier. Okay, so I'm actually right up there. And you see that in my little room tour. I'll kind of go around this way. And then right out in the front, they got a massage place. And then you can sit out on these nice red chairs right here. Kind of hang out. And that's what I showed right away. What I like about this is that it really overlooks the bay right here. You can enjoy yourself on one of these. All right, let's just walk around this way. This is the Restuarant, and this is where the breakfast buffet is in the morning, and I'll do a video of that tomorrow morning when I So it's very walking distance on everything. Probably inside you can eat in or out. There's a nice swing you can get an Instagram picture on. So this is the Gritta pool, which is a little bit further west from where I'm at. About a 5-minute walk. Now Gritta is a Italian restaurant. A little bit smaller pool, but still very nice. I'm going to show you around here. All part of the restaurant below there. Give you this amazing view once again. I'm going to show you where I just came from over here. Got some Italian music going on there. Yeah, it's just right over there. Definitely got some good seaside dining here, right? How about that? You could try this place at least love Italian food. Inside or out? Your choice. Okay, this is the main lobby area. I know it's last, but kind of take a look around. There he is. Swadee Kap.
Swadee Kap, Swadee Kap, Swadee Kap.
One of the workers. So nice to see. They're so friendly here too, you know. As soon as I got here, they helped me out and booked me right into my room. And look at this. I don't know if that's a chandelier up there or not, but it sure looks beautiful. Like, you know, folks checking in. I like it how it's, you know, open air. Yeah, they got these little shops down here on the bottom. Nice little bar restaurant there. Again, I mean, if you look at it, it looks so open. So you got a kids club down there. Looks like you can play games. No worries on an ATM machine. There's a couple of them down right there. This looks like a little lounge you can kind of hang out in, you know. Looks, can really kick back right. Okay, let's check out the gym. Pretty cool. Very well laid out. Got a nice little light fitness machine. Pretty wide open. A lot of cardio equipment. Alright, let's go check out this breakfast buffet. A little bit earlier today. Yesterday I came in like 9:30. It was really, really busy. So I figured today I'll come in a little bit earlier. Give you the full scoop. I had to kind of like weave around people. There's like a little bit of an overview here. Lots of hot entrees here. That looks good. Of course, you got the eggs. Swadee Kap, how are you? Good morning. Definitely going to come back for some of these omelets. This is the bread station. Lots of sweets. Let's see what we got. Had these waffles yesterday. They're really good. They even have a juicer here. How about that? Look at the fruits here. One of my favorite stations. thing nice about this resort is they have this nice little pathway that kind of circles around to the west, and check it out. So this is where it's at. Just keep following this path up here, and then you're going to run across some of these nice little areas right here. You can even have breakfast here. Kind of built it right into the side. How about that? See? And then you can see the resort over there. And there's another one up here. Looks like a tree house. I like this one. Look how nice it is. It's kind of built right in. Look at the tree root on this. That is something. Wow. Oh, look at this one coming up. Making my way all the way to this pier. I don't know if you can see it from here. Oh, the snake tree. Look at the size of that. There, taking a picture. There it is in the distance. Very good view of Patong from here. All right, nice little walk. Okay, when you look over there, that is Tritrang Beach. Kind of zoom in a little bit. I've been there a few times. I believe there's a big resort right behind it. And then as you keep going southwest, right around there is Paradise Beach. I made a video there before. Actually, both those beaches. And it opens up to Patong Bay. Water is so clean. And you can see my hotel there in the distance. So you come out here to this pier that you see. There's a nice path. I believe it's like a flower path, they call it. Garden path, excuse me.